So do you know what today is? Famous Squad anniversary. Anniversary, yes. So do you know what today is? Famous Squad anniversary. It's our anniversary.
Pussy was this week off and fall like rain. Cardiac arrest and not the artist to your brain. Rapidly with this a pussy place like the love light. She with this shit on this and the darling no way. That man family we gon' never till we are straight. When you circle the second you will move on the road.
Selassie I say for one. I will know why you pick up and go on. Selassie I say for one. I will know why you pick up and go on. Selassie I say for one. I don't know why you pick up and go on. Selassie I say for one. I don't know why you pick up and go on. It's the corruption, you know so. That's why we perform them on stage show. I know about much about them now. But as far as we them corruption do. But them corruption is not see. But them corruption is not see. But them corruption is not see. Selassie I say for one. I don't know why you pick up and go on. Selassie I say for one. I don't know why you pick up and go on.
I wanna do that, see, position. Yeah, somebody not outside. You wanna walk, keep on the walk. Say you wanna walk, keep on the fight. Man, you should have seen position. You put some money on the last night. The nigga you might have been right. Should have been in the young life. Man, you should have been when we get back down. When we roll off and drop on the ground. Man, you should have been when we fire flag down. When we have a
With a name from early, you don't know. I'm going to catch that famous for the anniversary party, you see. A DJ Cool Girl, a DJ and we there. You see. Pick up Peter and I'll in the building and the wife here. You don't know see the Ella, you see. You don't know pick up yourself Red Line and pick up all massive and go roll out in the morning because you don't know we're going to set speed in the morning here. Pick up all South One Crew, you don't know another famous the whole family. Atlantic Museum. Alright, you know that we start going to party that way. Infinite power and all godless people in the morning, they will bless up the party. Speed up that beat.
Just yesterday, I was hoping for tomorrow, and I just prayed it would bring a brighter future.
Roll up, you know.
My life has been filled with ups and downs. Oh,
All godless in the morning, what you say?
sometimes I never knew which way to turn.
The power sound, what we deal with?
But when the going gets rough, power sound gets going 'cause I
You know.
never give up the fight.
Glory, hallelujah, hallelujah, oh most high God,
Right to the roll up.
glory be most high
What
God,
a favorite spot.
love be thy name,
All godless.
King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be
The
praised.
party early.
I'll try to keep them in
I am the king fierce. Why took your family in there?
the
Easy father, Peck, me see you.
Lord, make me the same.
Roll up, roll up.
Against the ever for
Let's see right now. DJ Cool Girl. Let's to the godless people that right now. Power sound. Let me touch now. All God bless. Let me see you signal again now. Mr. Roll up in the party. All God bless them early. Roll up. You hear me now? Put them on it. I tell you then, say. Oh my Lord. Mr. God bless. If you know say God guide you on 2021 and you're glad to see that here, push up your hand again, God bless. Play. Mr. God bless over the party. Let me see some God bless later. On the fire, walk. Infinite power, we there, we lost it from early.
Oh, I lift up my hands to the Father, 'cause He made me strong.
And God bless.
He put the food on my table. Yes, and in my heart is
Sing for me now.
oh, Jah, I love you so.
Come up here and sing.
Mighty Jah, I
From the love to see 2021, what you say again?
sing along. Hallelujah.
Praise his name. I'm in our lives, a big up our Delmas again, because you're strong. 2020 was a rough. Anybody with a love for see it? Let me tell you this. Hold on, man.
Children,
Let me tell you this.
I don't kill them, and they offer to go mad them.
You ever said 2021? Make sure you're good with job. That's why. Aye.
So, you must be grateful and you must be endless.
Hold on again now. Mix girl. It's schooly girl. What you miss? Got it. Right to now. Bad man. Well, we juggle now. Come back, we juggle now. With the power sound. What's the coolie girl? Infinite. Yeah. not violate the party. Them say 4 minutes. So cool the girl. Mix for the ladies them when they are from early now. Mix. Why shout? Make me see what in the party now. All who come out for party tonight with Bunko. And famous squad. Show up here and dance now.
I see the dancers around tonight.
Walk over yourself. Walk over yourself. Mr. From the nose and ladies. Your shoes not big on your foot. Move around. Move around. Come down. Go there, girl. Come. Over yourself. Walk.
Everybody go sleep your hands up.
Move around. Move around. Go. The party earlier now. Let me tell you this.
Everybody make it stop.
If the way it comes, right now there. Yo, ladies, what up? Come, girl. Some girl come. What the ladies in there? Fight from early. The girl that can sit up and back it good. Go there, girl. Come. Last guy, look there. One more clock.
Yes, Jan.
Infinite power, they are checking. Only girl, you're 2.5 minutes. None of famous, so somebody set it. Come now. Sit up on the body now, girl. Go there for me now, baby. I power sound and you love me. Throw me now, girl. Go there, girl, go. Go there, girl, go. I mean, I don't have much time. You see, like, you go on, so I want to ask you a question. Let me ask you. Come, yeah. Go there, girl. Right now, there. Go there, girl. Right there, go there. I'm gonna see if I like your turn now. Keep whining for me. Go there now. Let me see if I like your turn. Cause my pussy good. And it's a whole album. Make them know. Let's start this blood clot early. One to go. Come, girl. Here we go then. In the mix now. I'm gonna song. God. But right now, girl. Are you win the trophy from early? So play the DJ. Final entry. Sit down, girl. Back up. Turn, girl. Go there, girl. Go there, girl. You don't know anything. Okay, oh, my son. I saw you set up. We go by sound.
Yeah.
You see ladies them. See ladies them inside that tonight. Me I make you feel good, man. I mean them man a corner. I mean when the girls them wonder and the man them keep ponder. Farmer G, you know what things here. Every man who will a woman right now enough and you bring one in now. I just see one here say ladies. All the ladies them shine boy.
Woman
man you're ready. Some man I'm a man, you know I know you. Who fucking up the man, this is my style. And touch the pattern, baby with the next brand new song.
I want to see that girl next door. But make sure I have the respect. You
yes, I know we there. I am we born now, we now run away. We will away some man no make out a play. Machine they are not there. If you ever make me rise the machine, you want to run when they used to be clean. Because we dance and we have get clean. And we be wipe out a whole dream scheme, boy.
The one who knows the real girl is straight up. Anyway, you go, you get a new girl, no!
And everybody know me while I ready. The one I need, no!
Some men just like
a firehouse, I have a cut of wine.
One blood.
One blood. You have a Caribbean, I have a America. You have a Europe, I have a from Africa. One blood.
One blood.
One blood. You could be an Irishman or an Englishman. You could be a Mexican or a Indian. One blood.
One blood.
One blood.
One. If anybody don't like your time, if you're defending yourself, play a tune. What you got to defend yourself? Famous for the mercy.
They can't keep on going on, yeah.
Yo, I believe the club coming up.
They can't keep on going on, yeah. You always keep a smile when they want me to frown. Keep your something they stood in my ground. They will never ever take my crown. Damn this I say no man curse. Things get better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers asking for a search. They have no weapon, just a
What's everybody?
but I'm so sad he does a rock. They just can't stop me now.
Where's the boxing?
Since their time, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set a roadblock, they just can't stop me now.
Hold on, someone like run for a fight train. What's it?
Living up, living up. Living up, living up.
What's it?
Surrounded by fine ladies, dainty babies, rocking and kicking to songs of our ages. Living up, living up. Living up, living up. To all of my jiggers and my MCs, honey, not the air if you love ladies and you cash what you want. You want your G, you're not in my category. Rolling my trunk, buckle up, girls pull me over, asking me what's up. Living up, living up. Living up, living up. So roll along to Wendy's, find a ride. She and my friends, then set inside. Living up, living up. Living up, living up. To all of my chickens and my MCs, honey, not here if you love me and you might be cash what you want. You want your G, but you're not in my category.
The national champion, Sal Kill. Love mercy.
Oh, baby, what's your name? Guess who's back? Steve.
them rock until the wheels fall off. All my niggas who think I can do all. Bring it to the out. Snoop Doggy Doggy like the triggers and that dog. Ready to make an entrance, so back on up. Push it over about the grips, you know. Give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble. Hopping and wrong beats together, then you know you in trouble. Ain't nothing but a cheat day, baby. Too low down, niggas so crazy. With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D and Double G, but I somehow, some way keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. Man, I kick a little something for the G's, man, make a few movies as I breeze through. 2 in the morning and the party still jumping because my mama ain't home. I got pictures in the living room getting it on, and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. They ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. They ain't leaving till 6 in the morning.
Ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. Oh, you don't know how many O's in the big O. Sorta like the game show. Who wants to be a millionaire? But my name ain't Regis. Not the one they call one. You wanna ride? You wanna
Let's get right tonight, mommy.
I'm about my kids. I'll let you do something to me, but you do something to my kids, I'll probably fuck you off, you know what I mean? So, my son is an artist. I started a label to support my son. This is his first single. His name is Evra the Great. This one is called Slow Down. My motherfucking son. Son.
Sometimes you gotta rest your head. You better slow down before you start to waste away. Baby, slow down, relax your mind and let go of the streets. You better slow down. Sometimes you must.
I just told you motherfuckers stop because of my son's gonna be some fucking bullshit. I know y'all thought that shit, you know? I know. It's my motherfucking son, bro. You know what I mean, bro?
Sometimes you gotta rest your head.
Let's fucking go. Anniversary party, GT baby.
She like the way I dance, she like the way I move, she like the way I rock, she like the way I move. Let it clap for a nigga.
Big up Super Twitch.
If you throw it back for a nigga.
Chris Diamond, famous squad, let's go. Sonic killer, real killer. Level.
She like the way I
No, P, what's good? Niggas is gay.
All of my pains, sucking dick, all of my comments is giving my name while I'm in the club, doing the hundreds and fifties from all this world. They knew I'm wild, if I wanna holler, I'm snatching $3, my T3, I'm ready.
It's my fourth fucking gig for the day. But I'm here. I love my niggas. Nike versus Adidas. Right here in the Fun Center. February 6th. We're making Avatar niggas all day. Chicago niggas. New York niggas. Niggas will find out we back outside.
Niggas sitting outside. Niggas sitting outside. Sing out as we gon' slide. Everybody on the ride. I want to see what they told me to smoke. She like the government, go so very niggas sitting outside. Sing out as we gon' slide. Everything's broken, but you never took up the scoop.
Not talking about Dallas niggas. I'm about New York niggas. I'm about Florida. They come to play with Joe.
Like it's a two-piece, you can have your bitch back. Don't be she just swallow all my kids in the two-seat. Swag out, for me to be bringing them cats out. I still got some nice stuff in the trap house. The 42, blow my back out. I'm back to the bullshit, too back to the focus.
It's Fire Star, get ready, Fire Star.
I'm gonna take that boy. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we get low. That's another piece, that's another.
Reggie, make up yourself, Truckers United.
I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he dancing my chata. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his lata, dancing my chata. Okay, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm on my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, from the boogie, boogie, them cats out. Right trapped in the trap house with the 42, go all back out.
We gonna turn the fuck up tonight. Vegas Squad 50th anniversary. K-Tron, what's good?
Sniper, big up. Man, we have some fun inside the place. Let me come on. Shout out to my spoilers crew. Hey, yo, Brody, Blue Money.
Police and thief couldn't be friends. You take two of them on road, set it feel friend. Put them on them on. When you're fighting the guy, no time for that. Them boy left them to your place. Police them on big up to my gangster friends in the middle one time. Why not?
Don't be no wolf and frightened. Let them choose. The Jesus like them. Yeah, my problem.
Talk to Rachel.
Shut down the place with the respect to me. Don't be no wolf.
You see, we bad, now we friends. Level down, we in the middle, right?
Yeah, my problem. Don't be great.
Let me tell you the kind of life we live. Roll out the down. Bombo, you are laid on in that. Yes. All right, Miller, stop it. Come on, let's watch out, west. To the left, to the right, to the left. Pick up the other side squad. Whoa. Let me get back to the team. Let me go. What's up, nigga? If your black pocket's not full of wallet, you shop from the wrong side for 20 months. Let me tell you. Are we down to the real life? Fuck you. face a famous one thing, you know. This is the one that I want to be the king, you know.
There's nothing in the system of which they create all around. They criticize and roll like champion, they would can't touch us all. If they were to drown, I don't not different from those swells and bubble seeds who come around. And don't not the colors, skylarks, friends in the world. Give me some back over there, please. You stand on the ground. This is the ground which dance a yard before you dance. You stand on the man part and see it and the phone. Gotta go them good eyes, true eyes. Something first with us. On the good stay up. You want to know what I'm wearing there right now. You're not on the best part of the phone. I'm never gonna be down. Oh, shit. On the good stay. Everyone again. Fish time out there. Last week it was dance. Oh no. If you do advice, you see a part in the band game right now. People wanna see you. It's not 20, you wanna Spanish song. You wanna carry them. That's fire. You wanna. Please watch look at complete. I don't want to be. If you do want to touch, what is wrong with this? How we roll, panic up. We're here to feel the man though. How we not die? If we don't go, we not die. We not die. Everybody in the party. Don't be a man for this and a spell of men's life. I'm a joke maker right now. Give me some signal right now. March 27, spell of men's life. You're a good style, man. March out, go on that sound there. Hold on. I'll lose the 5-star general right now. Everybody in the party, now let's go on. Start to start the vibe now. Aren't you a first lady? Tell some little people right now. Let's go on. Make myself. Let's go on. Here we go. From day one, we don't care who rates you. Here we go. Ricky Sample. Let's go on. Yes, so we did it. So we're going to start a little energy. Let's go on. Ricky. Everybody in the party now. Ready to one. Sing that. People run up on the mic now. Fall up on the mic. Look at the start move. Let's go on. Make a move to the left now. When everybody start move, make a move. Make a star rock, make a star rock. Let's go on. Make a star rock now. Ricky Sample, make a run now. Rock. Look at my man up on the banner. Sabio. Siga. Who there, Ricky? Tonight.
Yo, nada. Azura Magro. Hello, bad mind. Good morning. Hello, bad mind. How you doing today? How you doing today? Slide by the one of strings, we are strong, but just so I'm still. We no big blood clot friend. No, we never did one people. We still killing, we still real. Don't go to check.
Ricky Sample,
Oh, she wants some. Come here, mama. Hold on. Come here, no, you can't see you. Come here. Yo. Rascal, I would have to stay, man. There's a Eda, come up here. Eda, come on, see. You know, you stay, man. Yeah, I want him. I was leaving Eda. Happy anniversary, 15 years. And then I wish to go 100 more. You understand what I'm saying? First, you don't know. Big up Texas, last week we were there, Dallas. I don't know if that's this one, you know, tonight we are Houston, but 2 more weeks from now we have a place called Killeen, Texas. So they don't know where we are. But we just want to find out one thing before we start playing. Now from night, I don't 2 years of girls are playing, and it's an anniversary, and it's a summer anniversary. So we kind of have a different juggling plan. But we don't even girls are playing. You know, we can't feel comfortable with that. So ladies, do you want me to play some song for you before I get crazy? Alright, here we go. Like all the girls to play some song for them. We're gonna hold our vibes right now, ladies. You know what I'm going. But you say, tell me how music.
I lost my mask, they diamonds.
You lost your mask? Alright, we'll get that no mask.
No, they're diamonds.
They're diamonds? Are you your mask? Tell me a Christian man. We'll get that new mask. Don't worry about it. We're going to keep by back one.
They're diamonds.
They're diamonds. We're going to get you one next one. You have to wine now. That's it. If you wine, you're going to get back your mask. Ladies, make me show what I'm going to use. I'm going to start it right there. So we're just going to mix up the jubbly. I'm going to show the man and kind of steer. Ready up there, man? Make me start right there, so.
One man in your home.
Let us jump up and go through and be on your head.
One man in your home.
Hey! How over control is? Speak up there. I don't think go for that, so.
She like that.
60.
One man she wants, she like that. One man she wants.
What the hell is that Texas? This Wild West.
She wants, she like that.
Come on in there, pussy, go.
One man she wants, she like that. One man she wants.
Yo, she next side. One man she wants.
Come on, she wants.
Come by your stuff, friend.
Come on, she
In that one, you're going to go slow. The girl them say, come on. What's your boring fire gonna get money? You know why?
She said, I'm not the sun. She want to be in court and you get cut. I'm rolling up the party. Pull up in the jail.
Go on there, we have a man that's rushing up.
She know I know you just want to be in the reason for them.
Ladies, no more to me if you know. No more to me if you know. No more to me if you know. I sit down, baby, I sit down, down. In the morning time already. Big up to the Houston ladies and they can't fuck. Houston girl, they can't fuck. Houston girl, they can't fuck. Start on the girl them first.
She want a zaza. Step away, step away. I'm a big black and dresser. She want a.
Houston ladies, when they're ready now to know. Morning time now, they're gonna get crazy first. But the girl them have to be happy. Go. What the girl them can't bend over. Every girl start bend over, bend over, So my girl just cool it down, yeah, cool. outside, bitch. Cause some of them only have the ring by their feet now. Big up to the girls who know how to fuck. When you're upset, ladies, it's not about the blowjob. Some girl can suck you over from now till tomorrow. And when I fuck like the bitch boring. Big up to the girls who know how to fuck. This is a party. Big up to the girl that knows that you have that thing inside of you. When the party's over, you reach to the parking lot, you don't waste no time. Take the nigga dick out, put it over the leg of it, get it stiff, and sit up on the blood clot coffee. So shout out to the girls who know you got a wet pussy. Whenever I turn down, the pussy gets real wet. Go! Ladies, bend and touch your toe. Every girl, bend and touch your toe. Stand and touch your toe.
Girl, you are the one. Girl, you are the one.
Let me try something.
It don't feel alright, me start it. But it up on it and me work feel long.
Your pussy tighty.
Pussy tighty, your pussy tighty. Oh, you're tighty, I love it, me love it. Oh, when you're riding, set it up, no.
Hold up. I see some American chicks in the party. I see some American chicks in the party. Ready now? Shake. Baby, let me see you shake that ass. Shake, let me see. Shake, let me see.
So make you go your ways before you make me show me. You never turn on camera when time me show you me. Me mother want me, but me never hear. She feel like so good.
We can creep it out chocolate right now.
Me feel when she want another man.
Back up creep it out chocolate.
She know she down, that's all right. They don't worry about it. I mean, I never love nobody. I'll be your body like I always been.
Back up creep it out chocolate. Something of yourself. One famous one. Remember going down chocolate. Something precious, precious. Very precious, precious. So precious. Levels of sound are being a swear. Everybody know. That's what we tell you say. Chicken and beer, don't worry. Don't touch it when they dancing for me. Busy on me and that they are for me. Blow it up. Where is this up for them? Well, let's go there. Branding on yourself. The one I know Jersey. All can stunting. All can stunting. Ladies, look how some man can't bust no black now, ladies. Look how them can't bust no black now. Watch it now.
Pussy boys have one I get hooked. I don't wanna be your bitch ass. You want
Watch out.
I'm not my man.
Welcome to Texas. I know we got Texas and know that a pussy gun finger in our ear. No.
Hook us them up and we gon' bust the cylinder. I'm hitting on that. I'm doing that. I'm not like hitting on chest and on ninja.
What are these shit here? Yeah. What's this in? Swallows me up. No one in me up. So I pick it up on a film and cheer. I hear it on a real pump here. If you have a green fucking money, go to the here. If that's a famous one, if I never get tonight to the board, so guess what? Tell me say Houston don't know music. Let me see if you don't know music, Houston. Oh, so you know song. Alright. But that's the one know so you know music. But we not reach this yet. Famous for anniversary. This time when I there. Ladies, if you are here with a female and you know that's your ride or die bitch, put your hand around her right now. If you are willing to fight for that fucking bitch, put your hand around her right now. Every man with there, what can swear up and fall like Bible. No boy can miss your bum buck like friend behind that back, you know, defend that. All real thoughts we have some real friend, must fight them tonight. If you can't sing this, you're pussy. Everybody sing this louder. Anybody ever somebody who ever from high school? Ready now. If you're a different sing. You must sing blood clot. Play about this again. Play about this again. We are going to lick on the stage. Let's go. Let's go. Showtime. Lick on yourself. Loose up. Make myself in a believe in a friend. If you respect the person that you gave to this Cash promotion. Rock a link up.
It's not a normal thing. Remember some 17th anniversary and you control the mind. So I'm here to represent people. When Super Twitch decided to go up on their own, Bronco was the first promoter to put Super Twitch as a youth. The band. All the fucking area said, in the band, in alright. Bronco's a youth. Road.
So when that's not playing, no matter what it is. No matter, hey. It's not his birthday, but it's a celebration for progress.
A celebration for making it in life. You understand? We go to the youth and Super Twitch there represent Christian and brother. Sniper! One of the things stand with the whole crew.
When we play that song, we want to see everybody represent for that song right now. Now just keep the most dance and the most biggest dance that I used to for over all years. 15 years and more. Big up for your squad. You understand? Right now. You know it. Represent that, yes, right now. I'm gonna stop. Remember anniversary. Every 6 months now, no squash
in a handful. Remember me tell you to serve in a rise and boss.
Yeah, we need that we need in the most. Yeah, we need that we need in the most. Dance.
Oh, no, tell them, blessing fall for me right now.
My dance back for the journey. I need that dance to the block.
Yeah, no, so get the tune is a must.
Blessings fall.
Go.
What's that was getting ready to the top?
When I did this, I'm gonna do it. Yes, sir. Listen, earlier on we said we go on real friends. Some people now are real friends. Go. Let me say that to now, yeah. Everybody will know, say, everybody will come smile with it. Just a real them. Guess what? Guess what? You stop. Yeah, for real, so when we joking, like, you know what some of us. Yeah, I'm here, I'm here. I just. All who know say you don't go on, go down in here now. Go down in here now. When I read the Kelly, step together and say. Step together and say. You stop. Hey, you stop. You stop. Tell you I want to buy them, tell me they want to come and tell you no, say you never come back. What they move for the fans them there? Some people live on Texas and they want them gold. But if you get to blood clot for the gold, let's go. So maybe they make it in the clip now.
Houston, it's my first time here and I love it, no bumbo clot. We have a dancer bus named Bushmaster. Them can't put back in a plaster, disaster. Diamond, can you play that song one more time? I have a
Ricky, I'm on in time. I'm afraid I'm on first. I'm play one different song. I'm play one different song. Listen.
DJ,
All of them, friend.
like I have the other, fight
If you're mad mind, you can't dance to this. Everybody from Houston, you know you're clean, free up in the morning. Well, lean on the morning. Lean on the morning.
Jerusalem, Iparalama, Lean on the morning. Jerusalem,
You see that lady with stuff right there, so by the chair. Remember before me, you said, I want to in I'm gonna go right on this of here, because I want to find the perfect song. I'm gonna find one song for you. From now she a rocking up, but she just sit down on a rock. And she can't work, baby. I'm gonna go right on this of here. Jesus Christ. Play the one up on the right for me. She me a talk, yeah, you. Yeah, man. I want to see if you can do something. Can you do something? Let me get closer. I'm afraid of you. What's your name? Huh? Heather. I want to fucking give you some feather. And we just fly away. But I want to see if you can do some type of shit first. Because it's 2021. The niggas be dying. So we don't want to waste no time. I want to know what you can do. And then we get serious, alright? So let me see what you can do. Hey. Speed it up. Speed it up. Speed it up. Come here. This is your phone now. Hand up. Hand up. I see you ready. Come on. Go back deep. Let me see if you can bend. Just do what you're saying. Keep your knees straight. Stay your waist. What I got you for? Got you for. Give me an high five. My name is Chris Diamond. I'm like your vibes. Your party. Your go on. Pick up your whole crew, everybody. I'll leave a phone in hand. I feel like I hear time.
Yeah, your time.
I feel like I hear time.
Yeah.
You have that little innocent church girl teacher look there. And then come on the always partying. Pick up some fear. I'm sure you have it. Let me see. Take off your bag. Hold it back. Try your thing. Famous man anniversary. Oh, you see it? You see it? You see it? You see it? Look there! Look there! Look there! Alright, praise the Lord, church. Branch, you go on, right? Hallelujah, praise the Lord. May the Lord bless you. Now, some good old alone shall live. If I lost your mask, you sit on so. You don't give up your mask. You don't find a mask. You have brothers, you can't. Hey, brother. I'm going to shoot the man.